Today we're going to weld thick to thin. So we're going to weld a 1/2 inch aluminum plate to an 090 vertical plate, basically a small T-joint, but I'm going to show you how to do that with the set points and everything that goes along with it. So stay tuned. Alright, so let's look at our set points for doing this. My total amps is 385 is what I set it to, and I just picked a number. I was having to pedal it a little bit. So let's look at what our EN was at 326. Our EP was at 209. The balance at 65%, really dirty piece of 1/2 inch plate. And I dropped my frequency down to 100 hertz. And actually, you know, I looked up, the settings actually work pretty well. I probably could have went on up to 300 amps on the initial, like on the average amperage right here. And for those of you who don't understand, it reads an average between your EN and your EP. So if you got your EN on 326 and your EP on 209, the average is 285. That's what it displays on the Miller. So pretty cool that we got the settings right off the bat. I'm running about 18 CFH on the gas, so we're still good. Running a 5 cup, a 3/32 filler wire. I mean a 3/32 filler wire and a 3/32 tungsten. So I did several passes before I got the shot I was looking for, but you can see the tungsten, it eroded a little bit, but it held up pretty good for that short pass. Now, if I was going to do a really long pass on something like that, you know, of course, I would step up to a 1/8 inch filler. But for this little demonstration here, this little short run, it did just fine with the 3/32. So if you noticed on that joint, I really had to take my time, let my heat build up in the heavier plate. So I kind of directed my tungsten down toward the heavier plate more to begin with. And what'll happen, if you go back and watch the video a couple times, what'll happen is your heat will actually inch over toward the lesser of the two plates. What I mean by lesser of the plate, it'll inch over from the heavier plate over to the thinner plate. It tends to gravitate toward the thinner plate. So by manipulating that torch just a little bit coming from the heavier plate and kind of walking it up to the thinner plate, you can actually kind of walk your heat up that way, and when it gets up there close, add your filler, and your filler will kind of wick over to the thinner plate. Once it wicks over and gets a connection there, you can start just moving forward slowly. This is something you don't want to rush. If you go too fast, you're going to lose your heat input, and what will happen is you'll go to a stab filler in there and your filler will just ball up and it's not going to go into the puddle. So maintaining your heat flow throughout that piece is really important. So take your time. You got this. See you on the next one.